Boeing, a titan of American industry, is at a crossroads. The aerospace giant, known for its iconic aircraft, is grappling with financial headwinds and political turbulence. For decades, Boeing has pursued a strategy of outsourcing, seeking to optimize its supply chain and reduce production costs. Parts are sourced from every corner of the globe. This approach, while seemingly sound on paper, has drawn criticism for potentially undermining American manufacturing jobs. However, the allure of lower costs has proven difficult to resist. Boeing's recent financial performance has been far from stellar. The company has accumulated billions in losses. The pressure to cut costs and boost profitability is immense. This brings us to Boeing's controversial consideration of shifting some production to Mexico, a move that has ignited a firestorm of political controversy. Enter Donald Trump, the former president known for his fiery rhetoric and protectionist policies. Trump's America First agenda placed a heavy emphasis on revitalizing American manufacturing and reducing reliance on foreign production. When news broke of Boeing's potential Mexico move, Trump responded with characteristic bluster, threatening to slap a 200% tariff on Boeing aircraft imported from Mexico. This tariff threat sent shockwaves through the business world. It underscored the rising tensions between globalized supply chains and nationalist economic policies. Trump's message was clear. American companies should prioritize American jobs. Boeing, caught in the crosshairs, now faced a dilemma. Should it bow to political pressure or pursue its own strategic course? Adding to Boeing's woes are persistent quality control issues that have plagued the company in recent years. The most glaring example is the troubled 737 MAX program. Two fatal crashes in 2018 and 2019, attributed to a flawed flight control system, grounded the MAX fleet worldwide and dealt a severe blow to Boeing's reputation. While the MAX has since returned to service, the scars of those tragedies linger. In 2024, another incident involving a 737 MAX, this time a door plug blowing off mid-flight due to missing bolts, raised further concerns about Boeing's quality control. These high-profile incidents have tarnished Boeing's image and eroded public trust. The company is now under intense scrutiny to demonstrate that it has learned from its mistakes and can deliver safe and reliable aircraft. Boeing's potential move to Mexico is a gamble with high stakes. On the one hand, it could help the company reduce costs and sharpen its competitive edge in the global aerospace market. On the other hand, it risks alienating American workers and further fueling the backlash against globalization. The outcome of this saga will have far-reaching implications not just for Boeing but for the future of American manufacturing. Will other companies follow suit, emboldened by Boeing's defiance of political pressure? Or will this serve as a cautionary tale, highlighting the risks of outsourcing in an era of resurgent economic nationalism? One thing is certain, the world is watching closely as Boeing charts its course.